Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to give you an update on Pikamoon. We've been doing quite a few updates on this asset actually, and we're very impressed and very bullish on this asset, and that's why I'm continuously updating you guys. We're going to be going through this coin on a fundamental perspective very briefly because we've already done quite a few videos on that. Then we're going to be looking at the chart, and then we're going to be looking at potential price predictions, and then also a massive update for you guys to be looking at towards the end of the video. So make sure you watch it all the way to the end and stay tuned for that. So starting off with Pikamoon, just in general, guys, if you're new to the Pikamoon space, it's essentially a GameFi project that I'm very bullish on myself. And what they've done, they've taken Pokemon essentially they've taken Pokemon, the idea or the premise of Pokemon, and made it into a play-to-earn game. It's insane, right? You start the game and you get your NFT like so, and these can also evolve. You've got fire, water, electric, rock, air, earth. So they're basically banking on the elements of the earth there. So it's very bullish. And as I said in previous videos, guys, if you want to go check this out in more depth, I have done previous videos on this. And yeah, it's a very bullish project. The graphics are insane, and it's looking really good overall. So I do want to just go on to the they've basically announced an official open world teaser trailer, which we're just going to be watching here, guys, just quickly. Really good. And you can tell the team has worked really hard on this as well. And just talking about the team briefly, I was actually over on their X account, and they have, I think they've got like 200 team members working behind the scenes now. They've just moved into new offices, so very bullish overall. I mean, you can see just the general graphics and the premise of this game is going to be absolutely insane. So I'm really excited for that. And you can see here, Pikamoon, very good. And then my favorite bit of all, a war is coming. Okay, so very exciting stuff there, and that is the new open world teaser trailer for Pikamoon. If you want to go check that out as well, guys, you can go check that out on their website as well. Link is in the description for that. So just moving on to Pikamoon from a charting perspective, guys, because you know I love to pick apart these charts here. And as you can see over on TradingView, we're going to be looking at the MEXC chart here, and you can see from the initial launch of Pikamoon towards the end of March there, we have seen a very massive bullish candle, and from there we have just been gently trending down, which is absolutely fine. That usually happens after you see a launch of a nice a really nice project here. What you see a lot of FOMO, a lot of people buying in, and then gradually people sell, because naturally people aren't that loyal to projects, and they essentially like to sell into the pumps, right? So this is where we need to find the key point, and that is this key point here. This is what we call the floor of the project, okay? And usually this means the price won't ever dip below this point, okay? Which is very bullish, considering it's a considerably it's a considerable higher point than essentially the launch, okay? So it's very bullish to have a floor here, and I want to talk about the most recent price action that we have had over the last sort of 7 to 10 to 12 days or so. Very bullish here on this micro uptrend. And as you can see, guys, we do have this falling parallel channel. Falling parallel channels, they tend to usually break to the upside, okay? So that does instigate a move of around 89.39%. This is going to be the measure move that we're going to be looking out for here. And the breakout zone, which we're literally just testing right here, guys, is going to be very explosive in my opinion. Now, you're probably thinking, well, we might find resistance here. We might, but it's very unlikely with the news that I'm going to be showcasing to you guys very shortly about Pikamoon, and why I think that we're just basically going to explode out of this chart pattern and see some insane parabolic motion to the upside. Okay, so we will get into that very shortly. But in terms of moving averages as well there, guys, we are just claiming support on all major moving averages. So that's another bullish sign for us to be looking out for there here on the Pikamoon chart. Now, I just want to go into essentially the sort of tokenomics side of Pikamoon right now. You can see the fully diluted market cap, if my head is not in the way. There we go. Fully diluted market cap is $120 million. $120 million. Now, if we look at Axie Infinity, quite a close competitor to Pikamoon, and this is one of the projects that Pikamoon is essentially gonna kill or coming to what's the word? Like fight with, essentially. I can't think of the word, but you can see here their current fully diluted market cap is $2 billion, right? And you can see when we saw the height of the last bull run here. Remember, guys, we're still just we're basically just very, very early into this alt season now, so it's a very, very early time to be getting into this project. You can see the all-time high market cap for Axie Infinity was near enough around $10 billion. All right, unbelievable stuff. If we're using that as sort of a base for Pikamoon right now, which, guys, it's completely possible for this to happen. We're looking at near enough around 100x from the fully diluted market cap, which is absolutely insane here, guys. So just from a conservative point of view, we should really probably be looking at around a 30 or 40x, I think personally is very, very likely for this asset, considering that they're ticking all the boxes, guys. They're doing the marketing right. They've got the good graphics. They've got literally the strong community. That does bring me onto their community over on X as well there, guys. And you can see their community over on X is currently around 33,000 followers. Unbelievable stuff as well. And that is continuously growing. I've been watching that continuously. And also they are doing, they're doing like some vlogs as well. And as I was just talking about while we were watching that trailer very briefly, like hundreds of staff members now. It's ridiculous. They've got a new office that's opened up. As you can see, really, really cool video for that. They're doing vlogs, they're doing podcasts. It's really, really good how they are supporting the community and being overly transparent in their projects. So yeah, very, very happy with Pikamoon from that perspective. That does bring me onto the news. I mean, I think I clicked on it a bit too earlier, but it does bring me onto the news. And that is the fact that Pikamoon is about to be listed on 2 new centralized exchanges, guys, okay? Very, very bullish, and that is why I do think we are going to see a very strong breakout of this chart pattern. Now, in terms of where Pikamoon is currently listed, we're currently listed already on BITGET, MEXC, and obviously on the decentralized exchange called UniSwap here. But these are the 2 main ones right now. The fact that we're adding 2 more centralized exchanges to this list, it's going to be insane, guys. The trading volume that we are going to see for this asset over the next sort of week, 2 weeks or so, it's going to be ridiculous, okay? And these aren't small exchanges, BingX and Bitmart. They're pretty established exchanges, guys. They're not cheap to get on, so it does show that this project does have backing and a lot of budget behind it, which is obviously very, very bullish from a transparency standpoint as well. Now, I will potentially be having on one of the founders of the project onto this channel, and I will be interviewing him and getting some more details. So if you guys do have any questions for Pikamoon, the Pikamoon founders, please drop your questions in the comment section below, and we'll pick a few questions to ask the founders there when we do have them on the channel. But yeah, that's the news, guys. Really bullish here. We're going to be looking at adding another 2 centralized exchanges to this project, which does give me the inclination that we're looking for a very, very, very strong breakout scenario here for around 89%. Now, that will bring us pretty much up to previous all-time highs for this asset. But remember, as I was just saying there, guys, if we're doing a comparison to Axie Infinity with the current market cap that we're working with, 119 million, it's very, very, very likely here that we're going to be seeing, I don't know, as I said, 30 to 40x for this asset throughout this whole bull market. So you could actually be saying that this asset is going to be just exploding, maybe even up to let me have a look here. Where are we at? So it's going to be 2,900% for this asset will be 30x. And that 30x will bring the price of this coin all the way up to around 7 cents and 6 there, okay? So that's absolutely insane. If we are going to be doing 40x there, it is going to be around 9 cents as well there, guys. So yeah, this is very, very, very bullish. And just for a short-term breakout scenario, I do see at least near enough a 2x coming through on your investment. But yeah, all the details for this asset, for the website, for the trailer, for the socials, for the new news, they're all going to be in the description of this video, guys. So if you want to go check that out for yourself, please go to the link in the description and check out Pikamoon. And yeah, overall, very, very bullish. And there'll be more updates to come, guys. So make sure you stay tuned to the channel. If you like the video, make sure you smash a like on it. If you're a Pikamoon supporter, if you're a fan, if you're one of the community members, let me know in the comment section of this video, and I will I will get back to you and let you know my thoughts on Pikamoon as well, of course. And yeah, that's going to be it for me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. And just to reiterate again, guys, very, very bullish on this GameFi project and very, very excited to see what is going to be happening in this next couple of days or so when we do see those new 2 exchange listings. Volume is going to be crazy. Very, very exciting stuff. But yeah, that's going to be it for me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.